In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download VN Video Editor app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You will see the familiar colorful icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on it will launch the store. This is where you can find a variety of apps, games, and digital content. The Play Store is an essential hub for Android users, allowing you to discover and install new applications easily. Once the store opens, you will be greeted with various categories and featured apps. Next, in the search bar at the top, type in VN Video Editor. Make sure to spell it correctly to ensure accurate results. As you type, you will notice suggestions appearing below. This helps you find the right app quickly. When you see VN Video Editor pop up in the list, it's a good sign that you are on the right track. The search function is powerful and saves you time by filtering through thousands of apps available. Now select the app developed by Ubiquity Labs LLC. This step is crucial because it ensures you are downloading the official version of the app. You will recognize it by the app icon, which features a stylized letter V and a camera. Selecting the correct app helps avoid potential issues with unofficial versions that may not work properly or could pose security risks. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to the app's detail page. From there, look for the Install button and tap it. This action will initiate the download and installation process. You may see a progress bar indicating how much time remains. This is an important step because it ensures that you are getting the latest version of the app with all the features and updates. Installing the app from the Play Store also guarantees that it is safe and free from malware. Next, you will need to wait for the download and installation to complete. Depending on your internet connection, this could take just a few moments. You can check the status in your notifications or on the installation screen. Patience is key here, as this small wait time sets the stage for your video editing journey. Once the app is installed, you will see a notification confirming that it is ready to use. Now tap Open to launch the VN Video Editor. This action will take you directly into the app where you can start exploring its features. The interface is user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced editors. You will see various options that allow you to create and edit videos efficiently. This initial step is exciting because it opens the door to your creative projects. Once inside the app, you may be prompted to allow certain permissions, such as access to your photos and videos. It is important to grant these permissions so that the app can function correctly. This access enables you to import your media files and start editing right away. Without these permissions, you might face limitations in using the app's full capabilities. Accepting these permissions will ensure a smooth editing experience. Finally, you are all set to start editing your videos. With VN Video Editor now installed and ready, you can take advantage of its powerful editing tools. Whether you want to trim clips, add effects, or create stunning transitions, the app provides everything you need. This is the moment where your creative ideas can truly come to life. Enjoy the process of making your videos unique and engaging.